everyone. Welcome to Power Brain TV. Subscribe for more videos and get faster notification of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Class 8 Anupam Social Science History Chapter 11E The National Movement 2 1919-1947 Questions and Answers. Exercise 1. Multiple choice questions. Tick the correct answer. 1. In which year was the Rowlatt Act passed? A. 1916 B. 1917 C. 1918 D. 1919 Answer D. 1919 2. When was the Simon Commission sent to India? A. 1925 B. 1926 C. 1927 D. 1930 Answer C. 1927 3. Who organized the Society of Khudai Khidmatgars, or Servants of God? A. Hasrat Mohani B. Hakim Ajmal Khan C. Maulana Shaukat Ali D. Abdul Ghaffar Khan Answer D. Abdul Ghaffar Khan 4. Pakistan resolution was passed by the Muslim League in its session held at A. Karachi B. Lahore C. Islamabad D. Sindh Answer B. Lahore 5. The Cripps mission arrived in India in 1942. A. 1941 B. 1942 C. 1943 D. 1944 Answer B. 1942 6. The Cabinet mission arrived in India in 1941. A. 1941 B. 1943 C. 1946 D. 1947 Answer A. 1941 7. Who was the Governor General when India became independent? A. Lord Wavell B. Sir Stafford Cripps C. Lord Mountbatten D. Lord Dufferin Answer C. Lord Mountbatten 8. When was Sardar Bhagat Singh hanged? A. 1929 B. 1930 C. 1931 D. 1932 Answer C. 1931 2. Fill in the blanks. 1. Mahatma Gandhi returned from South Africa to India in 1915. 2. A mass agitation took place in April 1919 against the arrest of Dr. Saifuddin and Dr. Satyapal. 3. In February 1922, 22 policemen were killed at Chauri Chura when mob set fire to the police station. 4. The Swaraj Party was formed by Motilal Nehru. 5. The Congress declared complete independence as its goal in its annual session at Lahore. 6. The INA officers were tried at the historic Red Fort. 3. Right, true or false? 1. Mahatma Gandhi's first experiment with Satyagraha was the non-cooperation movement of 1920. Answer: false. 2. The Simon Commission met with warm welcome throughout the country. Answer: false. 3. Women did not participate in the civil disobedience movement. Answer: false. 4. Mahatma Gandhi attended the first Round Table Conference. Answer: false. 5. Independence of India Act was based on the Mountbatten Plan. Answer: true. 6. Sardar Bhagat Singh was hanged in 1931. Answer: false. IV. Give short answers to the following questions. 1. Which movements may be called as Mahatma Gandhi's first experiments of Satyagraha? Answer: the Champaran Satyagraha of 1917 was the first Satyagraha movement led by Gandhi in India and is considered to be a historically important uprising in the Indian independence movement. It was a farmers' uprising that took place in the Champaran district of Bihar, India, during the British colonial era. 2. Why had the people assembled at Jallianwala Bagh? Answer: a large, peaceful crowd had gathered at the Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar, Punjab, British India, during annual Baishakhi fair, to protest against the Rowlatt Act and the arrest of pro-independence activists Drive Saifuddin Kichlu and Dr. Satyapal. 3. Why was the Simon Commission sent to India? Why was it boycotted? Answer: the Simon Commission was sent to India by the British government. It was sent to India to decide the future of the political status of India. However, it was boycotted by the Indians because there were no Indian representatives. 4. By whom was the Ghadar Party formed? Answer: the Ghadar Party, initially named the Pacific Coast Hindustan Association, was formed on the 15th of July 1913 in the United States under the leadership of Lala Hardayal, Sant Baba Vasakha Singh Dadehar, Baba Jawala Singh, Santokh Singh and Sohan Singh Bhakna as its president. 5. What demand was made in the Muslim League resolution of 1940? Answer: the Muslim League resolution of 1940 asked for independent states for Muslims in the northwestern and eastern areas of the country. 6. When did India achieve independence? Who was the Governor General of India at that time? Answer: the Independence Act marked the end of British rule in India. The Dominion of India and Pakistan came into existence on August 15, 1947. Lord Mountbatten was the Governor General of India at the time of independence. We answer the following questions. 1. What was the Khilafat issue? Why did Mahatma Gandhi link it with the non-cooperation movement? Answer: the Khilafat movement began in India as a way of protesting the dismemberment of the Ottoman Caliphate. Gandhi's support to the movement was a strategy to counter the divide and rule policies of the colonial government and ensure communal harmony. 2. Why did Mahatma Gandhi choose to break the salt law? Answer: Gandhiji decided to break the salt law because in his opinion, taxing salt was sinful as it was an essential of food. It affected Indians irrespective of caste, class and gender barriers. 3. What is the significance of the Dandi March in Indian history? Answer: with Gandhiji's visit to Dandi, a wave of nationalism swept across India. The symbolic Dandi Yatra created a sentiment in favor of freedom among the people. Gandhiji's Dandi March still shows the way to take the right decision in difficult times and highlights the importance of sacrifice to the people. 4. When was the Gandhi-Irwin Pact signed? Discuss its important provisions. Answer: on the 5th of March 1931, Gandhi and Irwin signed a peace pact in which both parties agreed to conditions put forth by the other. According to this pact, Irwin agreed to release those who had been imprisoned during the movement and to allow Indians to make salt for domestic use. 5. Why and by whom was the Swaraj Party formed? Mention its achievements. Answer: the Swaraj Party was formed on the 1st of January 1923 by Indian politicians and members of the Indian National Congress who had opposed Mahatma's suspension of all civil resistance on the 12th of February 1922 in response to the Chauri Chaura tragedy, where policemen were killed by a mob of protesters. 6. Why was the Quit India movement launched? Discuss its achievement. Answer: the Quit India movement was a movement started by Mahatma Gandhi on the 8th of August 1942 during the World War II, asking for an end to British rule in India. The movement was started in a speech in Bombay where Mahatma Gandhi asked Indians to do or die. 7. Why did the Muslim League plan direct action? Answer: Direct Action Day, also called 1946 Calcutta Killings, was a day of vast communal revolting among Muslims and Hindus in the city of Calcutta in the Bengal territory of British India. The League needed a different country for the Muslims they called Pakistan, while the Inc. needed a unified India. Thanks for watching with Power Brain TV. Like, subscribe, share,